reply to this comment. So I already did a video on how to get on your hoverboard, but I'm going to show you guys again since the video wasn't really dedicated to how to get on your hoverboard. So if you're learning, I recommend holding onto a wall while you're getting on. By the way, it is raining. Only like sprinkling though. Okay, but anyways, you're just going to want to like hold onto your wall and put one foot on one of the paddles. I'm not sure if that's called a paddle, but I just call it a paddle. And make sure it's your stronger foot, and then make sure that you're in a comfortable position. Sorry about my feet, by the way. Then just hold onto the wall for balance and push up and put your other foot on the hoverboard. Now how to ride. I don't really know. It might just come naturally to you. But here's some tips. When you want to go forward, lean more forward and lean your feet forward. And when you want to go backwards, just lean backwards and lean your feet backwards. That's really all I know, but it will come to you eventually. And this is how to get off. Or this.
Greetings everybody, Sab Yoga here. Let's get started. Today I'm going to show you how to safely ride a hoverboard. Making sure that the board is in front of you, you can step one foot on, second one to follow right away. Keep your feet on the edges of the board, do not panic, keep your back completely straight, knees locked out, breathing, focusing. And to dismount, one foot goes backwards, the second one to follow. Never step forward to get off the board, always step backwards. And to enter, one foot on, second one to follow, knees back, knees locked out. Thanks for tuning in. Be safe and have fun.
How to ride a hoverboard for beginners. There will be a rubbery thing covering the charging place, and you press the silver button for it to turn on. Mine's a Bluetooth, so it will make sound. Step 2, getting on. So you get your left foot, put it on. When it starts moving, press it down so you can't let it move. Then you get your left foot, when you're confident, put it on. It will start moving. Hold something or hold someone in your family. Step 3 is how to ride it. So riding is completely easy. You put the second step, like put your left foot on, then the right foot. Lean forward or push your toes and fingers forward and lean forward. To turn, which way you want to go, push that foot. Same with backwards. And to go backwards, lean backwards or put your weight backwards.
How to ride a hoverboard in 60 seconds. Turn it on. Narrow hallway, you can ride up and down your hoverboard and have both hands on the wall to help you. Get on the hoverboard with a little bit of speed so it doesn't go out of control. Both hands on the wall and your feet are on, slightly tilt forward. Practice turning and going backwards as well. Going at a slow pace. When you feel safe enough, pick an open route. Stay along the walls and practice. If you feel safe enough. Try taking your hand off for a little bit and riding, then putting your hand. Stay close to the wall, but you don't have to have your hand. Then practice going on without the wall. Then, if you feel safe, then go at a higher speed down that hallway. To get off, don't get off slowly like this. It might go out of control. Instead, go 1, 2. Don't forget to turn off your hoverboard and charge it. Don't leave the hoverboard charger on the charger for too long because it may cause fires. Be safe and make sure you have fun riding. See, and you'll be able to go at fast speeds, go forward, backwards, and spin.
This is all you need to do to ride this scooter. You just need to do like this. They do like this, to turn, go like this, to go in front and backward, turn right, turn left, and then to stop it, you do like this. So watch me. You see? You do like this, you turn, you stop, you turn left, right, to go in front, you and when you want to go down, you just do something like that. That's it.